Hey there, welcome back to Culinary Delights. Today we are baking a classic, the original Toll House chocolate chip cookies. These cookies are timeless, easy to make, and always a crowd pleaser. So let's get right into it. First, let's go over the ingredients you'll need. 2 1/4 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon baking soda, 1 teaspoon salt, 1 cup or 2 sticks of unsalted butter, softened, 3/4 cup of granulated sugar, 3/4 cup of packed brown sugar, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, 2 large eggs, 2 cups, around about 14 ounces of Nestle Toll House semi-sweet chocolate morsels. If you don't have that, then just use any semi-sweet chocolate chip morsels. Go ahead and preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit, which is 190 degrees Celsius, so it's ready when we are. Start by combining the flour, baking soda, and salt. Just give it a quick stir and set it aside. Now, in a larger mixing bowl, beat the softened butter, granulated sugar, brown sugar, and vanilla extract until it's nice and creamy. If you're using an electric mixer, set it to a medium speed for about 2 minutes. Next, add the eggs one at a time, beating well after each addition. This creates that perfect chewy texture. Gradually add in the flour mixture. I usually do it in 3 parts to avoid a flour explosion. Mix until just combined, but don't overmix. Finally, stir in the chocolate chips and nuts if you're using them. And just like that, our dough is ready. Now drop rounded tablespoons of dough onto an ungreased baking sheet. You can also use an ice cream scoop for this. Leave about 2 inches of space between each scoop because these cookies will spread as they bake. Pop them into your preheated oven and bake for about 9 to 11 minutes until they're golden brown. While they bake, your kitchen is going to smell amazing. After letting them cool for a few minutes on the baking sheet, transfer the cookies to a wire rack to cool completely, if you can wait that long. Now, let's give these a try. They are perfectly crisp on the edges, chewy in the center, and those melty chocolate chips are everything. These classic Toll House cookies are never going to disappoint. Thanks so much for baking with me today. If you try this recipe, let me know how it turns out in the comment section. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more easy and delicious recipes. See you next time.